What's up, baddies? It's your girl Tanisha K, the ultimate baddie, period. So welcome to another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead, do that now, do that now, do that now. And this is going to be a baddie on a budget. I am going to a concert and I need to find me like a little outfit, a cute little outfit. And y'all know I be on TikTok. I seen the girlies on TikTok finding super duper cute outfits inside of Walmart. So we at Walmart. I got a $30 budget. We at Walmart. I don't know how this is gonna go. I usually don't buy clothes from Walmart, so I'm a little bit nervous. I don't think I'm gonna be able to like actually come out of here with something. But the girlies on TikTok was putting that shit on. So I'm hoping that I will be able to find me an outfit and put that shit on, you know? So, oh my gosh. Y'all, if y'all see my lace lifting up, just turn your head. Don't worry about that, okay? Just know I'm getting myself together, okay? We getting ourselves together. So I'm at Walmart. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I'm in Walmart and this is not gonna go well. I don't know about this. I see ugly stuff. Like, all of this stuff is ugly to me, y'all. I don't know how the girlies be actually putting that shit on inside of Walmart. Like, what the heck is this, y'all? I can't do it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But yeah, that's where we at with it. Yeah, I'm just about to leave because baby, none of this stuff is giving. I'm about to walk over here by the men's section and see what that graphic tee is giving, because no, it's not working for me. Alright guys, so I found this Stranger Things shirt in the graphic section. I'm definitely getting this because I'm definitely getting this, but that's what the shirt looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. But yeah, I could wear this with my red and white chucks. I'm getting some ideas, y'all, period. So yeah, I think I found a shirt. And it is $8.98. I'm thinking I'm gonna get two. I'm a regular medium one in case, you know, I just want to wear it as a regular shirt. But this one I think I'm going to like bleach and cut up, so it is in a 3X, so that I could just kind of wear it as just like a dress or something. So we finna see. All right guys, so I just left Walmart and we had got a discount on my pants, so I got a couple of dollars left. So I'm about to go to Hobby Lobby to see if I can like find some cute patches to like iron on my pants, because it's giving plain Jane. So so the pants that I got was some army fatigue like cargos for the men's section. So I want to see if I can find like some cute little patches from Hobby Lobby. I got about 10 minutes before I gotta go pick the kids up, so I need to hurry up and see what all they got in there. So yeah, that's where we at with it. All right guys, so I'm in Hobby Lobby. This is their patches. I could have sworn they used to have like a whole lot more, but yeah, this is the patches. So I'm about to get a couple so that I can put on. I'm feeling this. This is cute. I'm getting it. Oh yes, getting it. I kind of want to stick with the red and black since the shirt is going to be red and black. Yeah, so yeah. Okay guys, so these are the pants, the cargo pants that I got from Walmart. And this is the shirt. So we're gonna do one of these Jones. Alright, so this is the shirt, this is the pants, and these are the patches that I purchased to like put on the pants and stuff.
Mama, I like it. Can I get brand new jeans like that? I want to put some pouches like this.
You want to put some patches on there?
I want that one. I go keep in this one. I go keep in that one. I go keep. Okay, Mama?
No, Mommy gonna need to put these on her pants. Okay, so these are the patches. So yeah.
Yeah.
These are the patches. I'm not really sure how I'm going to like actually arrange them on the pants. But yeah. I thought this was like super duper cute. Yeah.
It started Tanisha. It started Tanisha.
Tanisha, period.
And it's me right here.
Okay, so so let me just lay the pants out and figure out how I'm gonna put the patches on there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is basically how I mapped out the pants.
Yeah. Let me hold it.
Hold on, baby boy. Let me just show them real quick. So this is how I mapped out how I want to put the patches on. So I'm feeling like I want to distress this area, cut it up and, you know, like make it all distressed in this area too, and kind of at the bottom too.
Me too.
So before I'm not sure though yet.
Yeah.
But I'm about to put the patches on. I'm a little nervous. I'm thinking, should I distress it first and then put the patches on? But either way I go, I think I'm going to distress it. Alright guys, so I finished distressing this little section. And when I tell y'all, it took me almost an hour. Whew! So I did a little here on these pockets too. I put just like a little piece there. And then down at the bottom, I want it to be like really raggedy at the bottom. But yeah, don't ask me how I did it. I just did it. And yeah, so I'm about to throw this in the washing machine. I'm about to figure out how I can like cut up my shirt and make it seem, you know, a little different. Period. Alright guys, so this is how the pants turned out. So I don't have belts, so I'm gonna pair it with this one since these are men jeans. So yeah, I'm about to put the look together and I'll insert a picture because you know I'm gonna take one. Period.